Hello friends, welcome back to Sapima tutorial. In our lesson today, we shall be considering the 2022 Neco mathematics past question. We'll be considering the part A and the part B. That's about 12 questions in preparation for your Neco examination. The first question we have here says, given the square root of 3 equal to 1.73, rationalize correct two significant figures. So what we do is to rationalize this value first. When we have rationalized, we substitute. What we mean by rationalization, we use the denominator, which is irrational, to multiply up and down. This is how we rationalize. 5 times square root of 3 will give me 5 root 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3. This will give me 3. The next thing we do is to substitute. So I'll say 5 times 1.73 over 3. Then you press your calculator. I have 8.65 over 3, and this will give me 2.883333333. And then remember, we are asked to leave it in two significant figures. So we are going to take the first two, but 8 is up to 5, so it will enter into 8. I'll now have 2.9. This becomes the answer.